Hello and welcome to today's lesson, where we're going to be talking about how to write a resume that will stand out and impress potential employers. Whether you're applying for your first job or transitioning to a new career, a well-written resume is a critical component of the job search process. First things first, let's start with the basics. A resume is a document that summarizes your skills, experience, and achievements. It's the first impression you'll make on a potential employer, so it's important to make it count. A good resume should be easy to read, concise, and tailored to the specific job you're applying for. Before you start writing your resume, take a close look at the job posting to see what skills and experience the employer is looking for. Use this information to tailor your resume to the specific job you're applying for. This will help you stand out and increase your chances of getting an interview. Now let's talk about the structure of a resume. There are several different formats you can use, but most resumes include the following sections. Contact information. This should include your name, phone number, email address, and optionally your mailing address. Summary or objective. This is a brief statement that highlights your skills and experience and what you can bring to the role you're applying for. Experience. This is where you list your work experience, starting with your most recent job. For each job, include the job title, company name, dates of employment, and a description of your responsibilities and achievements. Education. This section should include your highest level of education, as well as any relevant coursework, certifications, or training. Skills. This is where you list any skills that are relevant to the job you're applying for, such as proficiency in specific software programs or languages. And finally, activities. This section is optional, but it gives your potential employer an opportunity to see if you are involved with any extracurricular activities like volunteer work or recreational sports. When it comes to actually writing your resume, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, be concise and use bullet points to make your resume easy to read. You want your resume to be a summary of your experience, but not too long where it is almost a novel. Second, use action verbs to describe your responsibilities and achievements. For example, instead of saying, responsible for managing social media accounts, say, managed social media accounts and increased engagement by 30%. It shows that you not only handled the work, but also achieved a goal with that work. Finally, make sure to proofread your resume carefully for spelling and grammar errors. You want to make sure your resume is professional and error-free. Nothing will turn a recruiter off more than a resume filled with errors. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to write a resume. Remember, your resume is your chance to make a great first impression. So take the time to craft a resume that will make you stand out from the crowd. If you found this lesson to be helpful, subscribe to How to University's channel. We have a variety of lessons to help you out. I'll see you again next time and good luck with the job hunt.